Hello guys, ganito ka-high-tech ang naghuhugas ng truck dito sa amin. Dito sa bago kong company, oh. Huhugasan yung truck wash. Ganyan ka-high-tech. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.